Welcome to another viewing and reacting video brought by me, the J Dude. As upon request by a fellow YouTuber, I'm gonna view and react to Equestria Girls, Blizzard or Bust.
Want to make math?
Boop, 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 boop. Ooh, nice use of this, like nice use of the hand signal, of the hand gestures for Blizzard or Bust. In fact, nice use of like the frost. Like, it's a nice tile card. That's what I meant to say. Nice guy with a pizza. I usually wake up at 7:55.
No, but school starts in 30 minutes.
How's everybody feeling about our test?
Well, my program doesn't start till 9 o'clock, so I should consider myself lucky. And oh my goodness, even their bags have bags.
All of us.
A wonderful, awful idea.
We're studying all night. Guess who was coming up with a plan?
Like in a tile card.
You call that a plan? Come on. Do I have to spell it out for you? It's snowy.
Apparently so.
Snow day means no school. No school means no test.
It's hardly snowing, Rainbow Dash.
Come on, guys. You are seriously lacking vision. I've got 20/20 vision, and I can clearly see it's not snowing enough for school to be...
Well, granted, she's wearing glasses, but still, 2020.
Snow day. It's not a snow day yet. If we can save a sinking cruise ship and break the laws of time and space to see a concert, I'm pretty sure we can convince Principal Celestia to call a snow day. There's a lot of innocent kids out there who probably didn't study, and they're depending on us. So, what do you say? Who's with me? I don't know.
Yeah. I'm surprised no one's mentioned what if our parents find out about this. I'm surprised that, in fact, I'm surprised they don't appear in this short, let alone the whole special it's from. Ew, gross. Yeah, it's technically a montage since you can call this like faking a Blizzard montage or something. Possible Street Fighter reference? Oh, I know, that's a $1 Million Man reference right there with that sound. Samurai Jack reference. Is it just me, or does those ducks sound like Snoopy from Peanuts? That's the hat she wears, that Rarity wears in the My Little Pony show as well. Sprinkle bombs. seriously, how is Principal Celestia or Vice Principal Luna for that matter cannot see this? Or the students for that matter, how come no one, were there any passerby that say, weren't they suspicious about this as they passed by? That someone looks pretty cool though, with the cookie eyes and the carrot nose. That does look cool. Snowball fight or just snow fight? No, just plenty of snow. Sunset is like looking at the history of the snow, where the snow came from. That particular snowflake, to be exact.
It remembers.
It remembers. How can a snowflake remember? It doesn't have a brain. I mean, literally, it literally doesn't have a brain. How can a snowflake think? Or any, yeah.
We did it! We
That big snowman isn't gonna fool anyone.
saved the world!
I wouldn't go that far.
I gotta admit, we really did pull together as a team.
A blizzard. But
Wait, how do you get this? Oh, I get it now, because that's supposed to be a drawing, but how can a painful Celestia and Luna, how, even I would know that that was a painting and not the real thing.
Quite an unforeseen development, I'd say. Indeed.
Unforeseen development. What did you saw? A dictionary?
Shall we?
I'm just glad they didn't use dandruff. If you get that reference, 20 bonus points.
Shall we?
Cancel school? She's making the call!
Don't bother with the snow day, it's phony baloney.
How? How did Cranky Doodle, how does he know that the blizzard is phony? We don't even get a scene of him finding out about it. Like, no scene of him, like, checking up on the girls. No scene of him, like, passing by the school. No scene of... Really, nothing. Show, don't tell. I know it's a 7-minute short, but you can add, like, 2 more minutes to show how Cranky Doodle know that this was a prank. Well, not prank, but still knew that how the blizzard was phony.
Hope those girls enjoyed the tension after their test.
What are they doing? You guys, I'm trying to see.
I'm surprised that neither Celestia, Luna, or Cranky Doodle called their respective parents.
How are we supposed to know how snow fits into the water cycle? Pinky, what have we been doing for the past 2 hours? All part of the plan. What better way to study than a hands-on project? Oh, I get it. This task relates to our snow day, which means potatoes get mashed, then evaporate into potato moisture where they convert into potato clouds.
Oh, you Pinkie Pie.
That's where the potato flakes come from. Or is it potato chips? Am I missing something?
But so that was very clever of Rainbow Dash, even though it did get him in trouble. Anyway, that was my viewing and reaction to Equestria Girls Blizzard or Bust. If there's anything else you want me to view and react to, please let me know in the comment section below.